Hi, I'm Jenna with Hobart Welding Products, and today we'll be making yard cup holders with the Multi-Handler 200 multi-process welder. So to make sure this is straight, you just kind of push it all the way down and make sure it's flush with the table. And then I took 2 magnets to kind of make sure it stood up straight on both sides. Made sure they were flush to one another. Then you can take your horseshoe and kind of flip it upside down, mark your center. You can align that with the rebar on both sides, and then you're ready to tack.
Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Just want to see where I'm going to put this next horseshoe for the can to actually sit on. If you were to put the can on here, it would go right through the horseshoe. So I actually plasma cut some stars out and then just kind of tacked them on the back here so that your can will actually sit here. So this will be the bottom of the cup holder. So with the horseshoe with the star on it, make sure that this is your top when you want to see it. So make sure you flip it upside down like this when you're tacking it like that. Okay, so just kind of center it and then tack it. I'm just gonna check the square right here.